Kota ka na.
Barkada mo, alis daw kayo eh.
Go, sama ka?
Pag nakakota tayo apat, deliver mo kami sa Pulsico.
I came here to trade.
Okay.
1715.
Super duper.
At least 80k below. That's how many we need to sell.
Kasi hindi po pwedeng lagi si Hype tsaka si G lang yung nakakabenta ng ganyan.
I sold 7 watches last month. What's up guys? Another watch, another deal tayo ngayon. Saka natin ang buong tropa. Tropang tunay. Walang iwanan. Time check, it is 12:40 PM. May pupuntang dealer dito, BGC. Ayaw mo pa vlog eh. May binibenta ako yung 126719 BLRO. Pepsi na meteorite. Yung isa pa niyang na-tripan is 126333 Datejust 41 na two-tone yellow gold. Parang silver na sundust dial na stick. Kasi yung Pepsi maganda, medyo mataas yung cost nun eh. Parang 3,050,000. Sabi ko, yes, no price. So, speculative asset siya ngayon. Okay mo tayo.
Sige.
Saan baliwag luto? Time check. Tingnan mo, 10 minutes pala nakakalipas. Sold na tayo isa. Datejust 41, yung two-tone yellow gold. 665. Close ko siya, 695. Tumawad na na onte. 30 minutes pa. Bro,
Ganun lang yun?
ganun lang yun. Kasi ganun kabilis tuwing ka ng pera. Pero makaisip nila na mayabang ako.
Isa, dalawa.
Ginawa mong text ah.
Yeah. Ay,
Ayos ah,
tol.
kota ka na.
Oo, kamusta? Nakagaling, nantay kita. Hindi barkada mo, alis daw kayo eh. Alis ba kayo? Saan punta? South?
So, Bo, sama ka?
Nakakatamad.
Time check, it is now 3:15. Ang bilis oh.
Ito yata challenge. Pag nakakota tayo apat, deliver mo kami sa Pulsico.
Mahal ba dyan?
Eh, wala.
Kaya naman eh.
Basta bumita tayo ng
Kala ko apat lang. Padami ka ng padami ah.
Kaya mo yan pure English, Pat. Talunin mo sa transaction si pure English.
Gusto mo? Kahit Tagalogin ako.
Kahit Tagalogin ka ako.
Yeah, okay. Uy! Picture na.
Feeling yung puhog yung puhog.
Does the challenge start now?
Yeah. You can.
What's up, bro? Dami mong backup ah.
Ano bro, kamusta?
Payat na, payat. And every time I see Cholo, pumapayat yan. Pag madaming
Benta.
benta. I have a new pen. This is the new pen of my staff.
Patry mo kay Relic.
It's the easiest pen to use. Pero lumabas.
You have to click.
Bro, tignan mo kung ano sinulat ko.
mo sa kliyente mo.
That's how many we need to sell.
Yan. At least nasulat ko pa siya. Yun yung challenge niya today.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi po
That's my
pwedeng
challenge.
lagi si Hype tsaka si G lang yung nakakabenta ng ganyan.
I sold 7 watches last month. 2 days.
Makapunta tayo sa quota. Quota na. Tapos na.
Yeah, but our quota is way higher than yours. So it's...
Meron sila.
Yabang mo pa rin ba din?
Yeah. This one is brand new as well. Med blue.
Yeah. Let's continue na, di ba?
No, not yet. Just released.
I would buy this.
This is 580. 580 to 590.
Try flat na, flat na.
Excuse me. Yan na.
This is an FP Jort Elegante.
FPJ.
This is a quartz watch, and if you put it down after 15 minutes, it'll stop running. But then once you pick it back up again, it'll adjust to the correct time.
Yep.
That's fine. I came here to trade. So show me watches.
Okay, can I have the Wimbledon?
Oyster.
This is unpolished. Check the condition.
Super ganda.
Bro!
2023 to ah. Full links, full set.
Wow! 2023 to ha.
Full links, full set.
What is that supposed to mean?
My cost dapat is 850. But, maganda naman yung kita. I'll do 830. Yan din yung offer sa kabila.
Okay, I'll give this for 1.8 then.
What?
What else do you have to trade?
How about the black dial Daytona? Steel.
Give me.
Full set, 2011.
Sure.
The glass has a... You have to change the glass.
Okay.
But otherwise, it runs well. Letters are still sharp.
SA, bagong SA.
You know, yung essay natin, no?
This is a pre-ceramic one,
Pre-ceramic.
520.
Yep.
The difference with the combo, this is still the green loom.
But long clasp.
This is a ceramic bezel. This is
Stainless steel.
Yeah, stainless steel.
Just the vessel.
Yes. And the movement. So many scratches.
Pero hindi siya overpolished.
Crazy.
Ikaw na bahala mag-polish yan. Hindi ko ba yan pinapolish?
How much? So I can...
140. So this one, I wanted best was 850, but I will do 830. So I'm letting myself
830.
lose a little bit for you, for the Conyo friends. Oh, diba? Para makakota.
Okay, you want this 1.7? Can you do a bit more?
170
Give me some more for my almost 2 million.
1,750.
Oh, wait, yeah, I have a gift for you.
Dapat pala sa kuna yan.
Tapos ako na to, bro.
Yeah, no, we haven't finished the deal yet. Best 1,760. At least 80k below. 1.7.
15, 1.5.
Super duper.
So far from 100. It's brand new. Do you know what January 18 is?
Actually, I don't want to stock one. I don't like stocking these too much.
Kukunin namin to kasi kukunin mo to.
Yeah, sacrifice for each. You scratch my back, I'll scratch yours.
If I were you, huwag mo i-push.
No, give me a bit more. 1.730. Okay.
20.
Fine. That's the best.
Sige na, nag-decide na siya.
Ay, for batik lang talaga. Ito,
How free.
maganda to sa'yo, di ba?
How much?
It's cheap,
Like
actually.
it's, what year?
25. And look at the condition. Actually, it's nicer than mine. For 40.
I'm getting a card key from you.
Bakas mo to.
Done. Just to get it done.
I was thinking 790 pero 800. 800.
Hello. Okay, 825. Ah, sorry, 425.
Yun.
Yung! Tapos na yung deal, pwede na ako magtagalog po. 4 watches sold. Just 41 silver stick. Tapos yung Med Blue OP41. Starbucks 2025. Tapos yung Congo 2026. Napapakainin yung tropa ko sa Bolzico beef kasi ano eh, vlog ko daw ito eh.
Baka napilitan ba?
Hindi,
Sakit
gago,
pa sa kanya. Oh.
nakangiti nga ako eh. Tapos na kumain, busog na, happy si Cholo, pinapit na lahat. Pwede na. 4 watches sold, not bad. 4-5 ang goal, pero may isa palang bala si sales director, kaya ako tapa din. Thank you daw, sabi ni Pag. Thank you! Fight talaga, God is good all the time. Kaya love, joy, hope tayo, bye-bye. Next month, nagiging liquidate na naman tayo. Okay, bye-bye, outro.